Alright, now if you have a Samsung phone, I need you to listen up. There is a new phishing scam circulating, but this one is different. It's not an email and it's not a text message. It's happening inside the official Samsung members application. This scam is designed to panic you into giving up your personal information by threatening you with a hefty fine. We have got some details here from a report by Android Authority, including the exact warning signs to look for. Now, we all know Samsung members application, it is a place for support, diagnostics and community forums, but that community feature, which allows users to message each other, is being abused by scammers. Here is what happens. You might receive a direct message inside the application from an account posing as an official Samsung channel. The message looks like an urgent account verification notice. As you can see, this is the screenshot shared by one of the users who got this message. The message says, "Dear user, due to changes in international legislation regarding personal identification of internet platform users, we are required to perform an unscheduled verification of your account following a complaint received about your profile." Now, it also states the International Act number, which is completely fake. They went on to say this is a mandatory requirement that cannot be ignored. They mentioned why is this important, penalties for non-compliance, what does this mean for you. All this is explained in this particular message. And they went on to say the process will take no more than 5 minutes. You will need to provide current tax residency details, after which a representative will contact you for personal identification. Strictly follow the instructions provided by our support agent in the chat. With respect and commitment to your security, the Samsung security team. Now this is a big scam. This isn't a friendly message about a prize, it's a threat. The scam message claims your account needs verification and directs you to click a link to supply your personal information. To scare you into acting fast, it threatens a $500 fine if you don't comply within 24 hours. This is a classic phishing scam, but because it's inside a trusted application, it might catch you off guard. Fortunately, the scammers made some obvious mistakes. They have made some grammatical error, mentioned Samsung as Samsung. The subject line itself has a typo. The message tries to sound official by referring a non-existent law, something like International Act number so and so, which is completely gibberish. And Samsung will never message you through the members application to threaten you with a $500 fine for not verifying your account. That's not how any of this works. They use these threats to create panic so you don't think clearly and just click the link. So what do you do if you get this message? It's pretty simple, just do nothing. Do not click the link, do not reply to the message, do not provide any information. These messages are not official from Samsung. The best thing you can do is just ignore it, delete it, and maybe even report the user within the application if you can. The good news is, as long as you don't click the link and enter your information, you are safe. These scams only work because they scare people. If you know anyone, maybe a parent or a friend who uses a Samsung phone and might not spot a scam like this, let them know. Just give them a quick heads up. This is not specific to a country. This has been reported in US as well as Europe, and it might be across the globe on any Samsung phones on the members application. This is something which I wanted to share with you guys. If this video was useful, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. More than 80% of you guys who watch my contents regularly have not subscribed yet. Go ahead and subscribe. That would motivate me to keep coming up with some brand new update. And don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The lifetime membership is available at 50% discount, and this is available at discount for a limited time. So this is the right time for you to buy this. Go ahead, check it out. The link is in the description. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.